mind, then I could be alone, but you never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go. Always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright. You can find me alone in this cold place, no face, a slave to this place inside. If the mystery unsolved like a cold case, and highways disgraced by a state of mind. Drinking strange water, leave a sour taste. Been looking for my soul in the haze prime. Getting kinda dull to this heartbreak as my heart shakes like the waves in a baseline. Boom. The good girl grows too soon, straight by the light of the moon. When it gets better, paths also change like the weather. Feel like a song you can't remember. See you in December snow. So know you'll be coming home soon after you'll be gone. And no matter where you go, always on my mind. And I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go. You're always on my mind. And I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright now. Been trying to delay what the days take. Find myself locked up. Can't escape this, there's no way. Now holding by the mistakes. Mistakes like chips on a small blind. High tax to pay for lost time. Build yourself up from whatever's left of us, and the parts that stayed behind. Parts that stayed behind. Parts that stayed behind. No matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life. much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on the love, but it's fast and nice time. Much better light from a falling sky. Fly to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a falling sky. Flying to the forces above this life. Been crying so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's forced a nice time. So much but a light from a falling sky. Flying to the forces above us. Keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a falling sky.
You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cup, gon' swing with the gold days. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Ooh, wait, I should get it like that. Ass fast and booty like that. Girl, you don't need a partner for that. You gon' have a nigga partner for that. 187, I'm working out. Looking back at it when you're doing it back. You gon' be sorry when I'm over your ass. Girl, you so nice to get it over your. Girl, take your time with it. All the time you need. I'm in no hurry. It's whatever, it's however you want it. Think of an add-on, you or hostile. Yeah, somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the gold days. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Ooh, we I should get it like that. Ass fast and pretty like that. Girl, you don't need a partner for that. Yeah, you gon' have a nigga partner for that. 187, I'm working her. Looking back at it when you're doing it back. You gon' be sorry when I'm pulling your ass. Girl, you so nice to get it over your. Girl, take your time with it. All the time you need. I'm in no hurry. It's whatever, it's however you want it. Think of an adder on you, oh how stunning. Yeah, we can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' sway with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' sway with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that.
I might be strung out on compliments, overdose on confidence. Starting not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequences. Drinking every night, plus we drink of my accomplishments. Stayed way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I don't agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, who I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up, but where I leave it at? I know I ain't graduated things, now I got it like that. So my napkin and my shirt, 'cause I'm just smiling like that. You gon' say well that you don't want a problem like that. You gon' make me wanna run me with somebody like that. So don't do it, don't do it. One of us gon' do it, y'all go do it. Really got the money, so really don't pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just something they know. They know, they know, they know, yeah, they know, yeah. Daniel Rivers on the ride. Fuck them other guys, I even gave them a chance to die. They know, yeah. I be yelling out money over everything. On my mind, then she wanna ask when it about to go empty. Tell her I apologize every time. Everything is so great, girl, don't tempt me if they don't do it. That's the shit that you gotta know. Better do it. I'm like, why I gotta be all that? But still I can't deny the fact that it's true. Listening to you expressing all the feelings. So opera rappers, all these niggas sound like all my children. And that's what you thinking it's about to come and make a killing. I guess it really is just me, myself, and all my millions. You know they can't.